my second review on my car, Kia Stonic, that I purchased brand new in October 2021, and this is the year 2022 model. Now, if you remember, I highlighted the issues with this new car. The mechanical faults is just that it struggles when I am always going the roller coaster roads in Australia. So at the moment I'm in Queensland, Gold Coast, and even at the moment you may not see it so clearly, but it is actually inclined. So it struggles. That is what the issue was. The indicators were not working properly, and number 3 was the knocking sound. So that review was very early, because I had purchased a new car and I was like not driving so much. So now that 10 months have elapsed, I just noticed something. No, that was not Saturday, that was Thursday. On Thursday I noticed that my car, Kia Stonic, was not struggling going up and down the roller coaster roads in Queensland, Gold Coast. So yes, I have had this feeling before as well, but the next day my car would be struggling again. Now, is there a factor? Probably. Maybe it also gets cold like me. So viewers, I'm very pleased to say that a couple of days back when I drove to work, and that was about half an hour drive, taking into account all types of roads, this Kia Stonic, my sunshine in the rain, did not struggle at all. And I think over the time, because now I am traveling, or driving rather, to places as a brand ambassador or as an event staff member, this car is sort of easing its struggles, and it is getting better and efficient. So this is my review of Kia Stonic for the financial year 2022 from Gold Coast, Queensland.